A very good evening to all of you, friends. A very good evening to all of you. On behalf of BYJU'S Exam Prep, I, Surajit Bhaduri, welcome each and every one of you for today's live session on this legal short series. In today's session, friends, we shall be discussing with you certain very important and significant legal reasoning questions which will play a very important role insofar as your preparation for CLAT 2022 as well as for CLAT 2023 is concerned. So a very good evening to each and every one of you watching me live. But before we start with today's session, I would request all of you to share this session right now itself with your friends and others so that the other people can take help of this particular series. So a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. Before we start, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you the ultimate winter carnival starting from 21st till the 31st of December of this year. BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a flat 25% discount on your online classroom program. Use the code XMAS25 and avail this fantastic benefit of a flat 25% discount on your online classroom program for CLAT, ALET, BLET and Jamia LLB entrance examination. The offer is between 21st till 31st of December. You get a chance to win exciting prizes. Okay? BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a comprehensive course Batch 7 for CLAT 2023. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2023 concepts from scratch for beginners, day-wise study plan covering the entire syllabus to help you score better, expert guidance by NLU alumni provided until the day of your exam, and 100 plus live classes based on the latest CLAT pattern along with interactive quizzes. BYJU'S Exam Prep also brings to you a comprehensive preparation course in bilingual batch 5. In this course, you get to learn in the language you understand. That means the faculties will be teaching you the concepts in both English and Hindi. There will be weekly performance tests. All topics will be covered through live classes and quizzes. And above all, you will be provided with faculty counseling and guidance session. So friends, let's begin. Up on your screen will be a passage. I would request each and every one of you to read the passage very carefully, understand the passage very carefully, and based on this passage, there will be certain questions which you have to answer. So let's get started. Okay, I'm sure that by now you are done reading with this particular slide. Let's move on to the next slide. So are you guys done reading with this slide also? The last 15 more seconds for those of you who haven't read. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Okay, are we done reading with this slide also? Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Let's move to the first question. Read the question very carefully and give me the answer to this question. Okay, so guys, please give me your answers after you have understood the question before you and you have definitely seen the options. Yes. Akshit Reddy says C. Okay. What about the rest? What about the rest? What about the rest, guys? I want answers from you. Neha Dubey says C. Satyendra Singh says C. Ananya Singh says C. Okay, okay, okay. Most of you say no. The answer is he right? No, he is not right. So let's see the correct answer. Now the correct answer is that under the March 12 regulation, please understand this, under the March 12 regulation, it was mandatory to inspect the vessel. So under the March 12 regulation, which was in force, when the vessel, that Russian goods vessel, reached the Visakhapatnam port and sought permission to enter the docks. So the correct answer is option D. The correct answer is option D. Am I clear? It's D. Because under the 12th March regulation, any vessel, any good vessel entering into Indian port should be first subjected through inspection by the government health official at the port. So the correct answer is option D. Moving on to question number 2. Yes, give me your answers, guys. Give me your answers. Okay, you have A. Akshit Reddy says A. Madhumitha says B. Neha Dubey says A again. Okay, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is that the Epidemics Act permits the restriction of movement of people who have tested positive for coronavirus. Am I clear? So the correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option B. So certain restrictions, there can be certain restrictions of movement imposed by the government to people who test positive for coronavirus. Okay. Question number 3. Now the Visakhapatnam port authorities has refused permission to the vessel to leave. Now, did the Visakhapatnam port authorities had the power to do so? Did the port authorities had the power to do so? Now the law is, if a vessel is entering India, they can inspect, they can stop. But if someone is wanting to leave India, was there any rule that could stop a person from leaving India? That port authority, especially that vessel. The correct answer is option C. No, they did not have the authority to do so under the March 12 regulation. Very, very important. So the correct answer is option C. Have I made myself clear? Are you guys understanding? Okay. Moving on to the next question. Question number 4. Now here is a person who secretly escapes from the hospital. The police track him down and has charged him under section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. Now, had the captain committed an offence under section 188, am I clear? Let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is yes, he has violated the isolation order under the Epidemics Act. He has violated the orders under the Epidemics Act and hence he has committed an offence under section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. Am I clear? Okay. Moving on to question number 5. If you have carefully read the passage, then this question will be very easy for you to solve. And before everything, guys, if you are liking today's session, please press the like button and do not forget to share this session, this video with your friends. Because these are very, very important sessions that we are conducting at BYJU'S Exam Prep. Okay, so let's see what is the correct answer. The correct answer is that, see, look at this date, 1st April 2020. Now, please remember that the March regulation, the March 11 regulation was valid till 31st of March 2020. Was only valid till 31st of March 2020. So the correct answer is option C. The March 11 regulation only prohibited the entry of such cruise ship until March 31st, 2020 and not after that. And this happens in April 1st, 2020. So there is a difference, 1 day difference. That March 11 regulation was not in force. The March 11 regulation was not in force. Have I made myself clear to each and every one of you? Have I made myself clear? Okay. Is that clear? Okay. Fantastic. 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 So the correct answer is option C. Okay. So friends, BYJU'S Exam Prep brings to you a comprehensive course batch 5 for CLAT 2022. If you are preparing for CLAT 2022 and you have not got yourself enrolled for any courses from BYJU'S Exam Prep, definitely get yourself enrolled for this particular course. In this course, you get Build CLAT 2022 concepts from scratch for beginners, expert guidance by NLU alumni until the day of your exam, progress assessment test to gauge your performance at regular interval, and highly interactive doubt clearing session. So friends, with this, we come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night. See you soon.